my beautiful people, how's it going? My name is Sonam. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today we are talking about 10 more things that you can do to feel happier, healthier and more productive about your day. Alright, let's get into it, shall we? Let's start small. Let's start by taking a walk or doing some form of a small exercise. It can be stretching, yoga, pilates, whatever suits your fancy. Just do it and get it out of the way. Next, you can rest because you just did your workout, right? You have to feel rested in order to feel focused and more energetic. So after your workout, make sure to take the rest. These small resting breaks are like the energy boost that you give to yourself. But wait a minute. Before you go and start being lazy, there is a huge difference between being rested and between feeling lazy. So keep that in mind. Now that you have done your resting, the next thing is very important and you need to be focused to do this. Log into your bank account and transfer some money to me. I'm kidding. No, you don't have to do it. Log in into your bank account and pay off your credit card bills. Check your credit score. I know it might not be something that you are very excited or pumped about, but believe me, by checking that score, you will be able to set yourself a goal where you want to take it up to. While you are checking your accounts, make sure to set up small automatic payments. So when it comes to automatic payments, there are always an option to pay the minimum threshold amount. Try to set it up to that and you will not regret it because you won't be missing any payments and that will save you from those credit score strikes. Fourth on the list is do one more thing when you are on your accounts. Just do it and then we'll get rid of this heavy stuff. So when you are in there, check your beneficiary. Do you have one set up in your account? If you do, great. Let them know that they are their beneficiary. Many times we set up our spouse or our kids as our beneficiary, but they might not even be aware of it. In times like these, we need to be prepared for the worst while hoping for the best. Try to do it, and that's another important aspect of taking care of your finances. Fifth on the list is, now that you are done all that heavy stuff, make your environment a little cozy. Light a candle, like maybe that. Can you see that in the background? Light a candle, or for some people the cozy might look like their patio. For me, I sometimes love to go on my patio, just stand there, look outside. Make your environment cozy and try to read a book. For me personally, I love the books which are a little power boosting books. A self-help book, I will suggest reading Choose Yourself, You Are a Badass. Those are some amazing books and these are like, again, the mini boosters, confidence boosters that everybody can use around this time. Sixth on the list is to watch a movie or a show. I suggest something uplifting, something happier, something comedy, something that makes you feel like you have got this. My favorite shows are The Office and The Friends. You can watch those if you haven't. I really recommend those. Right now I'm watching the show Cheers and it gives me a good laugh. And I'm also watching the SpaceX, I think, and Space Force. And they really give me a good laugh. I suggest you do that too. Seventh on the list is to try public speaking. Do you know 73% of the population have glossophobia? Wait a minute, what's glossophobia? I learned this word just for this video. Well, glossophobia is the fear of public speaking, and 73%, that's a huge number. If you have watched my first video on this channel, I delivered a speech in that. I delivered the speech at a Toastmasters club. Toastmasters is a non-profit organization where you get to practice your public speaking while improving with the feedback of the members just like you. The cool thing about this program is that nobody stops you from talking and everybody listens to you. Try this, believe me. Want to take your skill up a notch? Well, there are so many platforms out there where you can have courses for free of cost, or there might be a small cost associated with it if you want a certificate. Like for me example, I can brush up on my programming skills, on the filming, editing and many topics like that. And one such platform is Coursera that you can try. Right now I'm doing a course called Finding Purpose, and it's pretty amazing. Another such platform is YouTube itself, where you can find many courses. Just make sure not to be distracted by other videos. Next on the list is to learn something new. Learning something new not only keeps our brains busy, but it improves our physical health as well. Try to remember the face of the kid who just learned that the ball is going to bounce back. Can you remember the excitement on the face? Can you see how excited that kid is to keep trying that and keep learning new things? That's what I'm talking about. With this channel, I'm learning something new pretty much every day about filming, about editing. I'm meeting new people as well. Not physically, virtually, but I am meeting new people. That keeps me on my toes and keeps me going. It's keeping my brain busy. It's improving my mental and physical health on a daily basis. Next one on the list is to start maintaining a list of your toiletries, your pantry items and other essentials. I know that we are already in it and you might already have those things. But then maintaining a list will give you enough time to be prepared for your next trip outside for the groceries and other essential items. I would suggest you pick a day in advance, a weekday at not so rush hour time. I hope these points provide you with some value and provide you the ideas to stay well equipped and busy during these times. If you found this video to be helpful, please share it with your loved ones. And please show me your support by liking, sharing, commenting and subscribing. You can also comment the things that you are doing right now with other people in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope to see you all very soon again. Love to you all. Bye bye.